Power Group. I am an HVAC Level 1 apprenticeship out of ABC.
My name is Christian Romero. This is my first year apprenticeship at ABC. I work for Advantage Air Conditioning in Virginia.
Michael Glenn Bates III. I work for JRC Mechanical.
Before HVAC, I was actually a carpenter working bridges construction, and I was there for 6 years.
Before I started my apprenticeship, I was a nuclear engineer in the Navy, and the reason I got into that is because my father owns an auto body shop, and I've always been really into the mechanical field, and so I just followed.
I think that with the right company, you can move on up even faster if you actually go into it.
I don't know much about the residential side of things, so I would probably push them more towards my side of things, which is in the data centers and the commercial units and not residential. It's more critical and it's more fun, I think, and it's also bigger, and so I can stand actually inside of the unit versus a residential place. It's small. I'm the person that likes bigger and better things, that way it's all right in front of my face.
One aspect of the job that some people wouldn't know, I think that it would be that there's a lot of thinking that you have to do into the ductwork systems that you have to go ahead and install into the houses, apartments. Every little component is different, and it's amazing how everything just works once it's put together.
How rewarding the job is, both mentally and the pay. Working with my hands and working with a good group of people that I can trust and rely on.